User management. Deactivate users without breaking your schedule. When a user is deactivated, any shifts that were previously assigned to them will remain in the schedule. To view and manage those shifts, we'll first need to remove the default filter that's applied to the schedule. Click the X to remove it. Once the filter is removed, the schedule will display both active and inactive users. In this example, we can see that Brandon Lewis has been deactivated and still has 2 shifts assigned for the week. If those shifts still need to be covered, simply drag and drop them onto another active user. If the shifts are no longer needed, click on the shift, select the trash icon, and confirm the deletion. Keep in mind that once a user has been deactivated, mobohubb will no longer allow you to assign new shifts to that user. If you try to do so, you'll receive an error message in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that we've updated the schedule, we can save these changes as a new weekly template so they're ready to use again in the future. Enter a name for your updated template and click Save Template. This new template will include all of the changes you've made, including any deleted shifts and reassigned users. This allows you to quickly reuse your updated schedule without having to manually reorganize shifts each time a user is deactivated.